Hi, I'm Dr. David J. Levens. I'm a board certified plastic surgeon in Coral Springs, Florida.
You just had surgery yourself. You had eyelid surgery. Can you tell
I
us what
did.
that was like, and maybe give us like what didn't you know about eyelid surgery before you did it yourself?
Well, this is an interesting story because I decided I wanted to do it 5 years ago. And it's funny because my daughter, who's now 35, this is many years ago, but I had very puffy lower eyelids, a little heaviness in my upper is kind of the way I look. And I wear glasses all the time because I used to try to conceal it. So my daughter, out of the mouths of babes said, Dad, like your eyes are so puffy. And this is probably 20 years ago. So I've thought about it. And then 5 years ago, 4 years ago, I said, I'm going to do this. So I went to an oculoplastic surgeon. I decided that not that I don't think plastic surgeons should do it, but oculoplastic surgeons are ophthalmologists that specialize in surgery of the eyelids. And I think you do like hundreds of them, you're probably going to, get the best results. So I went to one and I was about to do it. I gave the deposit and it's been 5 years and I'm okay and everything. But my mom, who was 89 years old with some dementia and lung cancer, who had a facelift and eyelids 20 years before, she passed. So I decided to forego that, and my money was refunded. And then I've decided again recently, and I met a very nice young woman, oculoplastic surgeon, whose father's an oculoplastic surgeon. We've had some patients in common. I've seen her work, really nice work, and that's it. I decided to do it, and it was 3 weeks ago yesterday. We were talking about this before. I think I'm a good patient, so I try not to torture the doctor too much, even though I'm a doctor. And she knows I do the surgery, but I let her do her thing. I don't tell her what to do. I don't tell people. I don't tell my doctors what to do. I try to be a good boy because I want them to be the way to me. And I was saying that when I have patients that I'm examining for their eyes and they look and they say, you should get yours done. So I'm getting mine done. And I told my patients, a lot of my patients, and it went very well. It was a outpatient surgery, 2 hours, local with sedation. It's been 3 weeks. The beginning, it's tight and itchy and a lot of drops and compresses. Really not much pain. I took a pain pill the first night. But what I was saying is that you sometimes really want to rub your eyes and you can't really rub your eyes right away. So I still have some bruising and I'm not using drops anymore. And it's been good. But I didn't answer your question. You said, oh, so yeah, that's about it. Yeah, it hasn't been bad at all. Oh, the funny thing, I had a patient the other day that one of my first patients operating after 2 weeks off. And I told a few patients and she said, oh, they look good and everything. She said, can you see to do her surgery? I said, yes, I can see just fine.
I think your patients probably share your sense of humor a bit.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah. It's part of your charm.
Oh, thank you.
Can you show us your before photos? Can you put them on
sure,
screen?
Of course, yeah.
Is there anything you want us to know about it?
Well, that's the first view. And then there's the smiling view. And then there's the eyes shut view. And there's the looking up view. So that's where
So
you can
it
see
was
all
this puffiness that you were trying to.
Oh, yeah, that puffiness down the bottom there. Yeah, for sure. I mean, right now I still have a little bit of black and blue, but I've been offered to put some makeup on, but I didn't do that.
No, you just tell everyone
sympathy.
you got in a fight.
I get more sympathy this way. People say like, you should see the other guy type of thing.
Yeah, exactly. Way more fun. Way more fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you look great. Thank you for telling us about your own surgery.
Oh, you're welcome.
Okay. So before we wrap it up, where can we find you?
My office is at 1725 University Drive, Suite 300, Coral Springs, Florida, 33071. My phone number is 954-752-1020. And then drlevens at drlevens.com is my email. Website is drlevens.com. I do have 3 Instagram pages, one with at Dr. David J. Levens, one is Plastic Surgery Talks, and one is Levens Med Spa.
Links to our guest's website and contact info are in your show notes. Follow us on Instagram at wherebeforemeetsafter. If you're a board-certified plastic surgeon and would like to be a guest or a sponsor of the show, go to wherebeforemeetsafter.com for more information. Where Before Meets After is a production of The Axis, the podcast agency for aesthetics. TheAxis.io.